Guys, come and join me. Let's make soup. We're gonna make some chicken vegetable soup today. First of all, I'm gonna have my chicken into my boiling water. Everything are all washed. Gonna add salt. Just salt at the moment. Let it cook. While it's cooking, let me quickly cut my veggie. No. You want to help me?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you're already helping me big time.
Mommy, I cannot carry him with one hand.
Ha! That looks so nice the way you carry it.
Mommy, Liam like, no.
Liam, The no, big sis. Big sis. He enjoys shaking his head.
Now he's shaking his body. Hey, don't fall down. Now he's having oh no, your carrot. Put it in your mouth. Chips it in. Rest a little. Okay, thank you. Thank you. No. Did you want? Okay. Did you want a little tablet? Okay, you.
Then we have
Oh.
sweet
I mean, can
potato.
you say to Daddy he should turn my switch? Then sit down.
That is better. Put him on the chair. Not on the dining chair and then go away. He can fall down from there.
Can Daddy on my tablet for Liam and my switch for Liam?
That is busy, Heavenly.
Please. Can
Emily, that is making the kitchen. He's busy.
What did you have in your mouth? One is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Three among us are tasting me. One is red, one is blue. Hey! What did you eat? Okay. Liam, why did you eat apple?
Cooking with her kitchen, my darling, it is very challenging. I have something on my feet. Thank you. The big boy is already here.
You come back here.
Is he playing with you?
Yes, he's always playing like this.
He's usually able to run back and front.
Now I got you.
No, I catch you.
Where is he?
And he's laughing. Uh-oh.
I almost got you. Come back here.
Come back here, you little one.
Now I got you. Nah. Stay here. Oh.
You come back here, you little one.
Wow, wow, wow.
I see you. I see you. I see you.
I need to pull his pen
Emily, this is why he's always quiet with you.
because he had fun.
Because he always have fun with you.
You
Because you're a sweetheart.
come. Why are you drowning?
Other people can tolerate him the way you tolerate him and play with him. Catch.
Okay, you
I
got it.
told you what he want. He want more catch. He wanted you to catch him.
Come back here. And I also saw you to my head.
Oh yeah.
Boop. Look, the mommy saw you.
I almost forgot but
Yes,
no time for
bye,
food.
mommy.
So I'm gonna eat this one. And not also much.
Mommy, we want to play a tutorial.
And you want to help me, Aria, there's nothing for you to help me to do. Just making something simple today. So that's it.
Okay? Mommy, this is fish. Fish.
It's not fish, it's chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, it's chicken breast.
Chicken? Where's chicken breast? Where's chicken? Where's chicken? Where's chicken? Where's chicken? I think that's why it's so big, because the chicken is also inside.
See. Yeah.
Let me eat for here and I like. I want to ask
There should be one chicken left.
5.
This soup is gonna get eaten more later. Get this thing. Get Liam.
Liam.
Yes. Pause it. And are you gonna leave it? Oh, don't worry, I'll do it carefully.
Tomato. Really?
I'm shaking the table, Aria.
Yes, sir. Should I pray for Liam?
No, I only watch out for him.
Look, you need. What?
Aria, don't do that from afar. It's too far from you. You do that, you have to make sure you put your chair closer.
Why is there not those? Mommy, the way? Can I just turn it? Miss Aladi, those are not. Mommy, the way? Miss Aladi, those are. Mommy, can I turn it?
Aria, I want to do that every morning.
Oh. I'm so it's fine. It's fine. No. Don't try it down. Eat it. Then sit down and eat. Eat that. I should help you now. No. Eat it.
Richard, come back here.
Why?
Where are you going again? Aria is going.
Okay. Stop. Now wow! Stop! Mommy say stop.
Aria, pause it. Ah.
Almost started. I need inside me.
No, Aria. Don't let it splash.
Do mommy want. It's so going to be so yummy. Yummy. Oh, this is so good.
No.
No. Can I tell me one of
Don't let it splash. Take your time. No. So our soup is ready. Putting some parsley on it.
Oh, yummy soup. Now you're coming with me, little one. But that's what
Soup is ready to be served, guys. Thank you for cooking with us.
Oh, yeah.
How is it, Mommy, how is it actually possible that when you are mixing something or using this one to do something that I can smell it?